Have you ever stopped to think about how many hugs you need to be happy? How many times a day do you reach out to feel the warmth of another human being? You might not realize it, but those connections, whether with friends, family, or even pets, play a crucial role in your happiness and well-being. Now, let's take a step into the future. A future where robots are no longer just machines, but partners in our daily lives, cleaning, cooking, working alongside us. In this intriguing landscape, a question arises: will our robotic companions also crave human touch? And if so, will we oblige? Will we teach our robot friends how to hug? Let's explore this surprising question together. The cold, hard reality of robot life. Today, the world of robotics is making incredible strides. But let's face it, robots still have a long way to go before they can replace the warmth of human connection. Many robots can't even detect temperature, let alone feel the subtle pressure and emotions conveyed by a simple hug. Can you imagine a robot shivering in a cold room without the ability to turn up the thermostat? Or worse, continue working while its internal components slowly wear down due to friction? These scenarios seem far-fetched today, but as technology advances, they become increasingly possible. But here's a big question: should we even consider such possibilities? After all, why do we humans feel the need to project our emotions onto these cold, hard machines? Why do we think about robots feeling cold or needing a warm embrace? Let's delve deeper. Beyond logic, the human need for warmth. Long before artificial intelligence became a household term, our distant ancestors learned that warmth and touch were crucial for survival. Picture a baby nestled against its mother, feeling the comforting rise and fall of her chest as she cradles them close. This isn't just a pleasant memory, it's a fundamental part of our evolution. From the earliest primates, mammals, and eventually humans, the need for warmth has been deeply ingrained in us. And it's not just about staying cozy. Skin-to-skin contact releases oxytocin, a hormone that lowers stress and creates a sense of well-being. This bond is so vital that even adult humans continue to seek physical affection, whether through casual touches or close hugs. But what does this have to do with robots? Well, as we increasingly interact with machines that mimic human behavior, we naturally project these human characteristics onto them. But there's more to it than just projection. As we design robots to become more integrated into our lives, shouldn't we consider these basic needs? Could a robot's well-being one day depend on more than just electrical and mechanical integrity? The unexpected benefits of robot cuddles. Imagine a world where robots are not just emotionless machines, but can actually benefit from friendly gestures like a pat on the back or a handshake. Believe it or not, this idea is not as far-fetched as it sounds. A team of researchers from the University of Oxford and the University of Alberta have taken a deep dive into this topic. Their findings, published in the journal Frontiers in Robotics and AI, suggest that tactile interactions could have some pretty cool benefits for robots. One of the things they're looking at is how robots handle different environments. Currently, many robots struggle in unpredictable situations because they don't have the ability to adapt quickly enough. But what if a gentle nudge could help them adjust to unexpected changes? In their study, the researchers used a simulation to see how robots could respond to unexpected situations with or without tactile feedback. They found that robots that received tactile signals were able to recover from unexpected situations faster and more effectively. This could mean that robots could become more efficient and safer in real-world conditions, reducing the chances of errors or accidents. But that's not all. These researchers are also considering how robot cuddles could affect their lifespan. You see, many robotic components are sensitive to temperature changes. If a robot gets too hot or too cold, it could affect its performance or even damage its parts. But regular cuddles could help keep robots within their optimal operating temperature range, extending their lifespan and ensuring they work better for longer. This is an exciting prospect as it could lead to robots that not only work more efficiently, but also last longer and require less maintenance. But why stop there? What if robot hugs could do even more? Imagine a future where robots can collaborate closely with humans, working side by side to tackle complex tasks. In such a scenario, building trust between humans and robots becomes crucial. And what's the best way to establish trust? You guessed it, hugs. Well, maybe not literal hugs, but tactile interactions. When humans and robots can physically connect, it creates a sense of trust and understanding that can lead to better collaboration and teamwork. The researchers believe that these interactions could enhance the way humans and robots work together, making tasks more efficient and safer for everyone involved. This idea takes us to a future where a robot's happiness could be a direct result of the warmth and care it receives. Can you picture a robot that feels content and performs its tasks with a smile? Literally, because it's received enough robot hugs. While this may sound like a far-fetched idea from a futuristic movie, the researchers are seriously exploring the idea. They believe that by understanding and incorporating these factors into future robot designs, we can create machines that are not only more efficient and durable, but also happier and more fulfilled. A warmer future for all. Now, let's shift our perspective. Think about the significant amount of time and effort we invest in creating robots that can perform intricate tasks, solve complex problems, and even predict our needs. But have you ever pondered what drives us to imbue these creations with human emotions, desires, and even vulnerabilities? Why do we find ourselves discussing whether robots need to be hugged and what it would entail? These seemingly outlandish questions reflect a deeper yearning within us, a longing for connection and understanding in an increasingly digital world. It's a testament to our innate need for warmth and belonging. But the implications of such a desire in the realm of robotics are profound. By considering the possibility of robots needing hugs, we open up new avenues of research and innovation. We challenge the boundaries of what it means to be human and machine, blurring the lines between creator and creation. In doing so, we also reflect on our own humanity. The very fact that we contemplate the need for robots to experience warmth and connection mirrors our own deep-seated need for the same. It serves as a reminder of the importance of human touch, empathy, and understanding in our lives. Moreover, the idea of robots requiring hugs challenges conventional thinking in the field of robotics. It encourages us to move beyond the realm of logic and code, hard data, and consider the emotional and even spiritual aspects of our creations. As we continue to integrate robots into our daily lives, it's crucial to recognize the impact they have on us and how we shape their existence. The question of whether robots need to be hugged may not have a definitive answer, but it should serve as a catalyst for deeper conversations, innovative solutions, and a more empathetic approach to technology. Ultimately, it's a reflection of our own humanity and our desire for warmth, connection, and understanding in an ever-evolving world. A concluding thought. In the grand tapestry of technological advancement, the question of whether robots need to be hugged may seem like a whimsical thread, yet it holds a significance that resonates deep within us. As we navigate the complexities of artificial intelligence and robotics, let us not forget the essence of what makes us human: the need for warmth, connection, and understanding. As we teach robots to navigate the world, perhaps they are also teaching us what it truly means to connect. And in that connection, we discover a future that is not just technologically advanced, but also warmer and more compassionate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts and stay tuned for more thought-provoking videos. Together, let's explore the endless possibilities that lie ahead. And now over to you. What are your thoughts on this video? Do you think robots will need hugs in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, your support means a lot. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe Hanum Cartoon for more.